played in some makeup. I already did my brows because we could skip that part. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got time for that. Nobody got time. My eyes are hooded, so I just usually put the color right here. Like, I never go all the way up. After I packed on all that color to the lid, like in the middle, I took a neutral shade and I blended it out because you don't want it to look harsh on the top. You need it to melt into that brow bone, honey. And when I say blend, I mean blend. Take a neutral shade, any nude you have, a clean brush, a fluffy one, and blend it in even more. Because you want this to look snatched all the way together. Okay. So with the same brush I used to blend the pink shade, I dipped the tip in it because it's angled and fluffy in the purple in the Zulu palette, and I put that in the crease. And I really just tried to build that in the crease. So I was going back and forth with that tip and the flat base. So the flat base had the pink and the tip had the purple. You see? And now I'm adding some more pink on the top to define it some more, because I was going in between those and just playing around in that color to really build it up. So here we go. It's building now. Get into my nails. Oh my goodness. Those are my birthday nails, by the way. Anyway, so I'm cutting a crease. I had difficulties cutting a crease, and listen, guys, it just takes practice. Not every cut crease gonna come out the same, but this is my method. I tap a little bit where my hood is, and I look up. And I have curly eyelashes, so if you have curly eyelashes, just try to get them out of the way, or try not to get concealer on them. Because see what I did? I cleaned that up, and I just went back in, molding it, and just trying to see where to place it. And here we go. It really sucks blending out all that eyeshadow just to cut the crease, but it's looking real good. And I was like, so myself. Go back in with your brush, and I'm just deepening the outsides with some purple. Oh, I got this bright hot pink. It is called, what is it called? Hold on a second, guys. It's called Bori from Juvia's Masquerade palette, and it has sparkles in it. It is so pretty. I love her palettes. They're so pigmented. They really make for us dark bunnies, okay? They really make for the chocolate. So I've been winning with Giza, which is this pretty like platinum shade, just to make this kind of halo effect. And then I have the pink, and I'm putting that back on the outsides to create this halo effect. And I thought it would be really cute. I'm just kind of messing around with this. You see, I feel like I needed something more, a little more je ne sais quoi, a little more pop. So I went in with Casablanca, which is this pretty gold shade, and I left Giza on the top just to give my eyeshadow that zing. Then I'm going to go back in with my bright pink and darken that up. And then I tried to put the purple on there to get a gradient, but I'm going to end up covering that up with this gold shimmery eyeliner that I got from the beauty supply store. I have no idea what it's called, but I brought it all the way to my tear duct. I took some more of the pink shade with my waterline, darkened my purple on the outskirts, put some of the Giza in my tear duct, and then I'm gonna brighten that pink right back up just to get that pop, 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 pop. Pop and pink. Eyes are out the way. Let's get into this face beat. I already did my foundation. I used Sephora foundation, the 24-hour one, and CoverGirl's True Matte Foundation in D70. But I'm gonna just blend this on my beauty blender. You have to be careful with the edges of your eye. You just did that makeup. It will be done to like conceal it off. So go in with really light tapping motions. And I put on a lot of concealer because, I don't know, I just felt like this look needed some extraness. So I put 2 concealers on. I put on my setting powder with this Real Techniques setting brush. And then I think I was getting over that, and I used my beauty blender and I kind of patted it in. But to be honest with you guys, I think if you have dry skin, just use light, don't use a lot. And even if, you know, some people say they press it into their skin, blah blah blah, still try to brush it off with your with a fluffy brush after, because you will be dry and crusty, and we don't want that, okay? Nobody wants to be looking dry and crusty out here. I'm not trying to do white face. Then I put on my lashes off camera because that's also its own little task. I'm here trying to catch up and put on my mascara with my lashes, but you're supposed to do it first, okay? Contour on fleek. I didn't do too much highlight. I did a little bit, but I didn't do too much highlight because, like, it's just so much going on right here. Like, the blue hair, the eyes. We'll get into this look, guys. This look is beach. Yes, I did. Yes, a baddie is slaying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram if you aren't already following. Love you ladies, ladies.